Hey, what's up, everybody? Cletus T. Judd down at the Bluefield Honda Nissan store with my buddy Brian. What's happening, my man?
No, it's a pretty good day.
Let me tell you something. If anybody knows about these vehicles down here, this man does right here. Right now, we got a 2023 Nissan Kicks. Tell us a little bit about this bad boy.
Well, it's Nissan Kicks. It's very, very practical. Got some great entry height for folks that can get in and out real easy. You got 36 miles to the gallon on the highway.
Yeah. It's high as gas is. You can't beat that,
That's
can you?
great. It's great. You got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, spacious rear hatch.
Yeah.
You got these black rims on this side here.
Yeah.
That's a special option on this particular car.
You didn't paint them yourself?
No,
Okay, good.
no,
There
but
you go.
they come from the factory.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, that's a sharp vehicle, too. Let me see. He said it's easy to get in. Let me see. All right, come on. Look here. You know what I say? Sold. Y'all come on down. Brian, thank you very much. You ain't gonna beat the deals. Go ahead and go shopping all you want. You're gonna end up here buying your vehicle from the Bluefield Honda Nissan store right here in Ashland. Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome.
I'm out of here. We'll see y'all.